Okay, today is also like, a demo session only. So today I am not going to take any classes. From Monday onwards, they will give you like once the registrations are done, they will give you the paid link. So once the paid link is issued, we can continue with the course, like, with the curriculum syllabus, whatever we have.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So, hi, Ravi.
Hi.
So, hi, good morning. And this is your first demo session, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like from past 4 days, this is the fourth day of demo session. So I'll give you the brief introduction. I think today there is less people for demo. So I'll just take a demo session for you now. So what is your understanding on data analytics?
I have no knowledge on data analytics. As I'm the .NET developer, I'm interested to learn data analyst.
Okay, fine. How many years of experience do you have, Ravi?
4 years.
4 years into data
.NET.
developer.
.NET developer.
.NET developer. Okay, perfect, great. So now you wanna learn data analytics for
Yes.
knowledge purpose, or you're looking for job change and all?
Job change.
Okay, great. So I'll just give a brief introduction. What is data analysis and what is business analysis, and what are the wide opportunities we have now for data analytics, and also the package details, and what is the syllabus we are covering in this course and all. Okay, so
Okay.
first of all, business analysts and data analytics. Like, what is business analysis? We are identifying the problems of the business and we are finding the solution for that. What is data? Data is to overcome the business problem. We will be analyzing the data by various tools and technologies. It may be a programming language, it may be the Excel or ETL methodologies. These are the things we'll be using to extract the data and find the solutions for the business, right? So here in this course, we are learning. Is my screen is visible?
No.
Okay. Right. In this course, we are, covering. One second. So, hi, Mamidal.
Hi, Eshwari.
Yeah, hi. So today, I think yesterday you have attended the demo session, right? Hello.
Yesterday I joined in demo session.
Okay. Even today is a demo session. So from Monday, it will be like, the live classes will be starting on from Monday.
Okay.
Yes. So Ravi, it is his first demo session. So I'm just briefing out him the syllabus. So yeah. So Ravi, what we are learning in this data analyst is the collection, how to collect the data and how to prepare it and how to create a interactive dashboards and also create an insights building throughout this curriculum. So, and also we will be dealing with the real-time live projects. Okay, so, and here, these are the tools what we are learning. One is Excel from basic to advanced, MySQL as a database, and Python as a programming language. And this AWS Kinesis, AWS RDS, AWS Glue, AWS Data Pipeline, AWS QuickSight, Redshift, Athena, EMR. These are all the AWS service provider. What we will be learning over here, AWS Kinesis, Redshift, and RDS, these are the storage, like data storage tools. And Glue is like ETL tool where we can extract the data and transform the data, right? So data pipeline, in the sense we will be storing all the things in a pipeline, and AWS QuickSight is nothing but it is like a Power BI where we can use it for visualizations, right? So, and finally we'll be learning here Power BI end to end. So if you see the curriculum, how it is designed from the basic, like from the introduction to the advanced level, every topics like VBA, macros, and Power BI and Power Query. Right, also the Power Pivot we will be learning. So these are the tools or technologies we are learning here, that is MySQL and end to end. Fine. So also Power BI, Python we are learning basic to intermediate level, and also the ChatGPT. Fine. So here, along with this, we are learning Git also.
Okay. The total duration is 60 days or more than 60 days?
Yeah, it is 45 to 50 days. It sometimes it may goes to 60 days. Yeah.
Okay.
And suppose now you got like what is data analytics, right? I'll just give you an introduction of it. We have here data mining and data wrangling. Along with that, you should be knowing what are the differences between data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer, right? Who is a data analyst? Data analyst is a person who will be dealing with the data, and he will extract the data from various sources and convert that into useful information, right? So which will be helping to resolve the business problems. Along with that, he'll be dealing with the statistical tools, that is diagnostic and descriptive analysis. He will do both the things by using various tools and technologies. It may be Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, like to create an interactive dashboard. Similarly, what is data scientist he'll be doing? He'll be working with algorithms, in the sense he'll be working with algorithms, machine learning, and Python programming in a wider range, in the sense advanced range. He'll be learning it. For example, he will be using predictive and prescriptive analysis as a statistical tool. And then for example, shall we discuss it in a broader way? So you are working in a telecom industry, and your business problem, like you got a request from your business to solve the problem, that is to increase the trends of the customer, and customers are canceling their services. For example, let us take it, you are working in a telecom industry, and you are got a problem that by the telecom industry notifying that customers are canceling their services, in the sense they are chunking, and then they want to predict which customers are likely to leave in the future, and what are the steps they can take to retain them back. So this is your business question now. And now tell me, you got to know like basic informations about the data analyst, like what is his day-to-day activity. So his day-to-day activity is collecting the data from the sources and scheduling the batch for that, and clean the data and store it, and when use it whenever it is required, and prepare a interactive dashboard. So this is the data analytics roles and responsibility. Now tell me, by understanding the problem, so what would you do as a data analyst? Like just theoretically, you can explain me what are the tools what are the information you gather to come over this problem, like to come over with the problem of telecom company. Yes, Ravi. Also, Mummy Dela, you can tell. Yeah. Okay, one more time, I'll repeat the question. You are working in a telecom company. They will notify you, in the sense, company will notify you with a message. Please find the reason of the customer leaving the services, and also predict what customers are leaving in future, and also give a solution to retain them back. So this is your business requirement. And just tell me, what are the information you gathered from the database?
monthly billing and how much the customer using the data in a day, and what is the interacted areas or local calls or IST calls or international calls. Based on the customer, most of the users, we will pick the most of the use cases and we will give to the business. These customers are more interested in these areas. We can increase the or decrease the plans, or we more collaborate all the customer requirements into one big plan, adding SD calls or data plans like something like.
Okay, perfect. So, Mamitala, you want to add something to Ravi's statement? Okay, fine. So,
No,
here, yeah. Yeah, please tell. Okay, fine. So here, the first thing is data collection. Gathering the historical data of a customer, such as using patterns, what are the complaints we are receiving from the customers, and also we have to interact with the customer if needed, right? This is the first step. And then what you have to do after collection of data, you have to process it. How? Using SQL or Python language, you will be cleaning and preparing the data and ensuring there is no duplicates and no missing values. And this missing value and duplicates may affect to your output, right? So the second thing is data processing. And then you will be analyzing the data is a third. Once the data is clean, you will be kept for an analysis. It may be like, the predictive analysis, or you may do a diagnostic analysis also. Along with that, you will identify the customer high risk is of leaving, right? Why they are leaving. So by that you come to know, and this model will be developed by using the Python libraries over here, and we can do it by NumPy or pandas, right? And later, once the reason for the business problem you find it out, you just prepare a reporting where you write a visualizations and in the interactive dashboard, that is Power BI, right? So and then later you'll show that in the Power BI what are the trends to the telecom company, and then high risk customer segments. What are the high risk customer segments you'll be mentioning in that report? And also along with that, you will give a intervention points if possible, like intervention points. This is the solutions for the business problem, right? So this includes your day-to-day roles and responsibilities as a data analyst. And it is like, every business problems are quite different, but the way to overcome it, the same thing. It includes like collection.
తినేసింది కదా
Hello.
అది బఠానీ తిన్నట్టే బబిత బుటిక్
Hello,
బుటిక్
please unmute. Sorry, mute yourself. Yeah. Here, Ravi. So first you'll be identifying the business requirement, and then you'll kept for the data collections, and you will be cleaning it, and you will be analyze the data, and the results should be communicated back to the business, and your work is done. So this includes your day-to-day responsibility, right? Understand the business requirement, collections, cleaning, and exploratory analysis, visualization, communicate and interpret with the business or stakeholders. Along with that, you have to maintain it on a regular basis, that whether the data are running smoothly or not, and you have to check the quality and performance of the data regularly. And then we have data mining and data wrangling. So what is this difference between data wrangling and data mining? In the sense, data wrangling is nothing but we are cleaning, transforming data, right? The process of cleaning unstructured data into structured one is known as data wrangling. What is data mining? We will be using the structured data to identify the patterns and correlations and other calculations and prediction analysis. The using of the structured data is known as mining, to extract the answers, to extract the insights for the business problem, right? So this is the true difference between data mining and wrangling, and you got to know what is the roles and responsibilities you'll be working on. And here, if you see what are the opportunities you'll be having, as you said, you have a 4 years of experience into .NET developer, and now if you want to switch to this data analytics, so these are the opportunities. Every industry, like it may be finance, it may be healthcare, it may be any IT companies, retail company or sales company, each and every company needs now the data analyst, because data is helping the business to overcome their problems and to increase their sales, right? So these are the opportunities. You can join like a experienced one with 3 years, and you will be having a number of opportunities. Like you can go through with the business analyst, you can go with data analyst, junior data analyst, BI analyst, finance analyst, product analyst, sales analyst, risk analyst, data engineer, why data engineer, as you learn in this curriculum, like AWS service provider, so that you can also apply to the data engineer jobs, right? So quantitative analyst, supply chain, it is a logistic company, in that you'll be getting the supply chain analyst, healthcare sector, customer insights and sales company. So see, each and every company you will be having an opportunity. So now, yeah. So yes, Ravi, this is the overview of the data analytics. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. So we'll help you out. So the timings and all would be like morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday to Friday is the class durations.
Okay.
Yeah, and all the, like, once the class begins from the day one, all the recordings will be sent by the management to your email address. Okay, the drive access will be given to you, and you can access all the recordings for 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you have any other questions, Ravi?
No questions at this point.
Hello, hi Eshwari.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, each every topic is get into one by 1 week, and previously Excel, Python, Power BI like that.
Yeah,
There is a
yeah, one by one tools we will be learning. First with Excel, second Python, third database, and lastly visualization we can learn. And along with that, finally AWS services, and then real-time projects.
okay. What is the duration for Power BI in this? Is a Power BI DAX queries, everything is covered?
Yeah, everything is covered. If you see the curriculum, all topics are there. So we'll be teaching all the topics.
Okay. SQL is also there in this.
Yeah, MySQL.
Okay, sure, thank.
In Power BI, we have DAX functions, and also we have Power Query Editor, and
One thing is only Power BI is covered in within 45 days like that. But how can this course is covered within 5 topics in a fixed duration of 60 days?
no, actually we design in such a way that we can deliver all the knowledge during this time, right? Daily we will be connecting 1 hour or more than 1 hour. It depends on the topic what we are in like teaching for the particular day. It doesn't mean like only 1 hour. We may extend it, and yeah, the topics will be covered. So we will be taking more than 7 to 8 days for Power BI. Any other questions?
Okay, thanks. It's good.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi.
Thanks.
So we'll meet Monday. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.